Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Luke, aka CT Flips. I hope you guys like the new name. I am a full-time reseller. I sell things on eBay. I buy them at places like estate sales, yard sales, garage sales, thrift stores, and local buyouts, and I resell them for higher prices on eBay. And how I got into it was I was working a retail job at Target. Everybody loves Target. And I was working there for, I'd say, about a year and a half. And I was doing reselling on the side just to make some extra money on the side to help with the bills. After a while, I started to take it really seriously. And once I noticed that I could actually make some serious money doing reselling, I actually took it really seriously and just left my job, left my retail job at Target and went full time. I didn't go full time right away when I quit Target. I actually was doing like DoorDash and this and that, and then I actually realized what I put into my business is what I'm gonna get out. So if I start taking eBay very seriously, I can really make some serious cash, and it really turned into my career. And I'm so happy because it's my passion, and I turned my passion into money, which is everybody's dream. If you wanna make some extra cash on the weekends, scale your reselling business, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell below. This past weekend, I went out to an estate sale. I saw that they had a bunch of goodies, so I definitely wanted to get there and make sure I could get some items to resell on eBay. I'm gonna stop talking and get right into the content. Me and my buddy Brandon were the first ones through the door, and I was literally pushing them right out of the way. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. So I wanted to go straight to the kitchen because I did see some peanut Christmas houses that did really well on eBay. They were actually selling from like $70 to $80. So I wanted to make sure to get those in the bag ASAP. Those Disney stockings that I picked up were $5 each, and those were also selling, so I couldn't beat it. One-stop shop right there. And then I wanted to get the rest of the house to see if there was any more goodies. Alrighty. Once I got down to the basement, I saw a Wii bundle and Xbox 360 bundle, but they wanted $120 for each bundle, and there was no meat on the bone. And here it is, guys. All the Department 56 Disney houses were in this little section of the basement, and I was honestly really surprised that nobody already grabbed them. A lot of people were there for vinyl records, and there's a lot of competition when it comes to Department 56, so I was so stoked that they were still there. There was terrible service at this sale, and I was kind of taking a leap of faith by grabbing all of this stuff, but I'm glad I took that leap of faith because it paid off in the end. Scared money never makes money, baby. Could I put my bag right here for now? Yeah. Thank you so much. Really close to me. Yeah. I appreciate it. Can't find the cameras. Oh. In the ad, there was cameras and camera lenses, and we did not see them at first when walking into this house, but thankfully nobody snagged them, so we were able to get them. Cameras and camera lenses are the second rated seller on eBay, so they sell very quickly and you can make a lot of money and profit with them. I found at Department 56 downstairs, Disney.
Is it still there?
I already got it.
Did you?
Yep. There was a lot of electronics at this sale, and it was honestly too overpriced, each and every one of the electronics. A lot of them came with the remote, which is a plus, and they actually had like a Sansai electronic. I forget the model number, but it was selling for like $900 to $1,000, but she had a price tag of $800, and there was no meat left on the bone. Honestly wish there was, because that would have been an amazing flip. Oh, did you get the duck? Oh. Give me a hand real quick. Thanks. My goal this year is to learn more about clothing and shoes, which is why I stepped into this closet. Right away, I found these UGG rain boots, which were selling in between 50 and 60 bucks, and she only had $20 on them, so I figured I'd grab them. Shout out to my buddy Brandon on this find. It was a Halloween painting that was numbered, and he found one listed for 900 bucks. No sold comps, but he got it for cheap, which was a huge plus, especially if it sells for $900. We do not know paintings very well, but we are both trying to learn new categories this year so we can make more profit. I must have walked by this table 100 times before noticing this sealed Marvel game. I didn't think anything of it because board games usually don't do that well, so I figured I'd look it up just because I was bored, and it was selling for like 100 bucks, brand new sealed, and she had 30 on it, so I figured I'd throw it in the pile.
And then this is mine. And that print is mine back there. Yeah. Okay. You can go first. Yeah, all right. No problem. Break the ice.
Is that the duck poster?
Yeah. Wasn't sure. There wasn't a price on it.
Is 10 good for you?
Yeah, absolutely.
I thought so. All right, how about, let's see, the boots, are they marked?
Yeah, they're 20.
20?
And then, all right, what's on this?
There's 200 on that. And then all the Department 56 didn't have prices, so
No,
I just wasn't sure.
So they're like, I looked them up and they're like 50 and up, so we'll just do like 25.
25 for each of them?
Yeah. It's like half price.
Can you go any lower?
I think it's 20.
20
How many you
on those?
got?
I think I have 5 total.
5 of them? Okay. So we'll do
Yeah,
them
I know
all.
the smaller ones aren't as pricey.
Yeah. So let's just do them all at 20 each. That's like a base price. And then you got, how many of these do you have?
Yeah, that was the Department 56 as well.
Oh, okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then
4 or 5.
And then this
And then-
guy.
Yep, that was laying on the table over there. Sorry, I didn't see that.
What do you want for it? What do you want it for?
Maybe 10. Yeah, all right.
That's fine.
Appreciate you working with me.
Yeah, I want you to
Make some money.
We're all,
Yeah.
we're all in it for something, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. And so am I good? That's
Yep,
it?
that's
Okay.
it.
All right. So 150 on the camera.
150 on the camera? Yeah,
Good morning. How are you? How are you?
You'll still do
Thank
really well
you.
on that.
appreciate that.
All right. So you are at 250, 70, 80, 90. So you're at 290.
290? All right, there's 2. I brought cash. Do you have change for just like a 10? Awesome.
This estate sale was so fun. I ended up spending $290. And guys, I must say, I was not expecting the Department 56 and Disney collab to do that well. They are actually retired and they are selling for big money because obviously they do not make them anymore. Any type of retired Department 56 and Disney stuff, it just does well. I didn't know honestly what they were actually selling for at the time of grabbing all of the sets, but I knew that Department 56 really does sell well, and I knew that Disney sold well, so I figured I'd just throw it in. When I looked up sold comps, I was pleasantly surprised. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching my video. Just wanted to say from now on, I will be dropping my videos at 6 p.m. on Saturdays, every Saturday, weekly. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell down below so that you never miss one of my brand new weekly adventures.